Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. For today I have this brake disc, a project that I designed using the Fusion 360. You can download this drawing in the first link of the description. Let's start. Create a sketch in the left plane. This will be the profile here. Apply some constraints here. This needs to be vertical. This needs to be collinear. These lines collinear. Here we need to create a line that is a center line, change for a center line. A constraint with midpoint. The midpoint of this line will be constrained to this center point. This allows us to apply the diameter measurements. Here, return to the main project. We know that the central diameter is 80 millimeters. Here, this is 5.5 millimeters. 5.5 millimeters. The same as that. And that 5 millimeters. Apply the diameters here, here, and here. Meters. This is 2000 millimeters here. And that needs to be allowed here. Hold the shift button, click in this point and align that. This is 2008 millimeters. This is 2091 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Use the revolve tool. Create a new body. Select the back face. (98.5) multiply by 2. Create a center line here, vertically, as a construction. And 2 more lines here and here. Make that line parallel. Another one parallel, but this needs to be connected with the center and 15 degree here and here. This needs to be a construction line. This distance is 22 millimeters. Connect to this construction line to make this on the center. Train this exit line and connect here to close this profile. Extrude on the other side. Now we need to apply some fillets here, here, and here, 10 millimeters. F for fillet, another here, 5 millimeters. And repeat this pattern. Select feature, select fillets and the extrusion. Choose the center axis and change to 12 pattern. Continuous here on the back face. Create a circle with 6.5 millimeter. Connect that on the vertical, 172 millimeters. This circle connect to the center circle. Change to construction. The diameter will be E for X2. Remove the material. Repeat the pattern. Select the center axis, 12, change to optimize, and click OK. The next will be apply some internal fillets here. Select this internal edge here and here with 5 millimeters. Create another sketch here in the middle, slice a rectangle by the center with 10.8 millimeters with 16 millimeters, and a fillet these corners that is 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. Okay. But this time on the front plane here. Create in the middle point a vertical line. Change to construction. An arc by 3 points here, and make these lines tangent. The measurement will be 100. These adjustments here and OK. Select the sweep tool, take the profile and the path, remove material and apply OK. Started, we need to repeat that operation. Select the central axis, optimize and OK. Now we can create these holes. Create 4 circles here. Make all the circles as a construction. Another 4 circles here, 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 here. These need to be aligned vertically as construction, and create a line with all these central circles here, here. Always as construction, and these circles are equal. Select all that by the constraint of equal. This is 6 millimeters. This will be 8 millimeters, here and here, divided by 2, and start to apply the measurements here. Start with 250, 50, 240, 205, 206. We can change here the position if you want here and make this 80 degrees, and that one divided by 2. That's okay. Before remove material, that's okay. Repeat the pattern, select this, select axis, change for 12, optimize, apply some chamfers here, 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 this edge, the 5 millimeters, and in these circles here, 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 0.5 millimeters, and select the central X and repeat, and okay. Now all these have fillets. Now all these have chamfers. We can apply here a texture of fiber carbon. Click here and change the scale, more realistic. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, you can download this drawing in the first link of the description. Subscribe here in the channel for next projects. Thank you so much. See you in the next.